Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at different places on a trip abroad. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two young travelers and the people they meet. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What 3 words should you say to a stranger when you don't trust them? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina. Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. This hotel is nice and quiet.
I am ready for our first day in this city. What is the plan?
I have the guidebook here. Let me open it.
Good idea. What does it say about today?
First, we can visit the old market, then the park with a nice view.
That sounds great. I want to take many photos.
Me too. Oh, and there is a small note here at the top of the page.
A note? What does it say?
It says, "Trust your instincts."
Trust your instincts. What do you think it means?
I think it means listen to your feeling inside. If it feels wrong, do not do it.
Oh, that is a nice way to say it.
We will see today, I guess. And if we have a problem, we can ask the concierge, right?
Yes, the concierge is the hotel helper. She is here to help us.
By the way, the guidebook says concierge is a French word.
Oh, really? I did not know that.
Yes, a long time ago, it meant a person who worked in a big house with other workers.
That is interesting. Now it means a hotel helper.
Right, the meaning changed over time.
I will think about that when I see Laura at the front desk.
She is the concierge here? I saw her last night.
Yes, the woman with the blue jacket. She smiled at us.
She seemed kind. We can ask her later if we need help.
Languages are fun. Okay, are you ready to go out?
Yes, let me put the guidebook in my bag.
Do not forget your water bottle. It will be a long day.
Got it. And you have the map, right?
Yes, I have the paper map and the phone map.
2 maps? You really like maps.
I do. The phone is fast, but the paper map shows the whole street at once.
Smart. Okay, I have my wallet and my passport copy.
Good. Always carry a copy, not the real one.
Right. The hotel safe is the best place for the real one.
Perfect. Let us go. And trust your instincts. I will remember that.
Me too. Let us have a fun and safe day. This street is so busy. Where did Ken go?
Excuse me, are you a tourist here?
Oh, yes. I am visiting this city.
Welcome. Would you like a photo of you and your friend?
My friend is over there. He is taking pictures.
I can take a nice one of you with the church behind you.
Oh, that is kind. But I am okay. Thank you.
Come on, it's free. Tourists love this spot for photos.
Well, okay. Just one photo.
Great. Stand here. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. May I have my phone back?
Sure, here. Now, tip, please, $5.
$5? But you said it was free.
It's a small tip. Everybody pays. $5, please.
No, thank you. We are okay.
Come on, just $5. That is not much.
No, thank you. I have to go now.
Hey, wait. You took the photo. You should pay.
No, thank you. I did not ask for a photo.
But I helped you. I worked for it. $3 then.
No, thank you. Goodbye.
$2, just 2. Very small money.
No, thank you. Please let me go.
Fine, fine. Have a nice day.
My heart is still beating fast. That was the friendly trick from the guidebook. I should find Ken right away.
Excuse me, are you the concierge?
Yes, I am Laura. How can I help you?
My friend had a small problem on the street today.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Please tell me about it.
A man wanted to take her photo, then he asked for $5.
I see. Yes, this happens here sometimes.
Is it okay that she said no? She said no, and the man left.
She did the right thing. Saying no is the best answer.
She told him, "No, thank you. We are okay."
Perfect. Short and clear. That is what we tell all our guests.
Should we tell the police?
We can call the tourists police if you want.
Tourist police? I never heard of that.
Many tourist cities have police just for tourists.
What do they do?
They help tourists with safety problems. They speak English too.
That is good to know. Please call them. I want to share what happened.
I will call them now. Can you tell me what he looked like?
He was tall, he had a black jacket, he looked about 30.
Thank you. I will pass that on.
One more question. How can we be careful next time?
2 things. Do not look the person in the eyes for too long.
Okay, and the second one?
Say no clearly. Do not say maybe or sorry.
Just a clear no.
Yes, and keep walking. Do not stop.
One last thing. Are there other common tricks here?
A few. Some people will drop something near you, then ask for help.
And then they want money for the broken item.
Yes, exactly. Just keep walking. Do not pick anything up.
Okay, walk on, do not pick up. Got it.
Also, some taxis at the airport may not use the meter.
How do we know the price then?
Ask the price before you get in. Always ask first.
Ask first. Okay.
And the hotel can call a safe taxi for you. Just ask us.
Thank you so much. This is very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your trip.
This view is so nice. Mina will love it when she comes up.
Excuse me, are you taking pictures of the city?
Yes, I am. The view from here is beautiful.
It is nice, but you should try the spot over there.
Over there, behind the trees?
Yes, walk past the trees and there's another nice place to see.
Oh, I did not see that.
It is even better. You can see the river from there.
Really? Thank you for telling me.
People who live here know the best spots. The guidebook does not have everything.
That is true. Are you from this city?
Yes, I grew up here. I walk in this park every weekend.
That is nice. It is a beautiful park.
One more tip. There is a small coffee shop near the river, too.
A coffee shop? That sounds nice after the walk.
Yes, the owner is friendly and makes good coffee.
Thank you. I will tell my friend about it.
Good. Travel slow, see small things. That is the best way.
That is a nice idea. Thank you for the tips.
Enjoy your trip. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
There you are. I went the wrong way.
Mina, you should see the other view spot. A local woman told me.
A woman? What did she want?
That is the thing. She did not want anything.
Wait, did she ask for money or take a photo?
No. She just told me about the spot, and then she walked away.
That is so different from this morning.
What happened this morning? You did not tell me yet.
A man took my photo and then asked for $5.
$5? That sounds like a trick.
It was. The guidebook calls it the friendly trick.
How did you stop him?
I just said, "No, thank you. We are okay."
Short and clear. That is great.
The book says soft words sound like yes later, so I said it strong.
Smart. So you used your feeling. You knew something was wrong.
Yes, and now with this woman, I can see the difference.
That is how you can tell.
Right. When people really want to help, they just help and leave.
They do not stop and wait for money. Real kindness is short.
My grandma used to say that too. She's smart.
She must be. Okay, let us go see the river view.
Yes, and maybe a coffee after?
Sophie told me about a coffee shop near the river. Good idea.
Where is Ken? He said he would be here at 4.
Excuse me, miss. May I ask you a few questions?
Oh, who are you?
I am Officer Brown. I am with the city police.
Oh, okay. Can I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me look at it.
Take your time. It is okay to ask.
Thank you. I can see your name and your badge number. Okay, how can I help you?
Thank you for asking. Many people are afraid to ask.
Sorry, I did not want to be not nice.
Not at all. It is smart to ask.
Okay, what did you want to ask me?
Did you see a man with a red bag near this station?
A red bag? Let me think.
Maybe 10 minutes ago? He was walking fast.
I saw a man with a bag, but I am not sure of the color.
Which way did he go?
He went that way, toward the big street.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Is everything okay?
Yes, we are just looking for him. He may have lost something.
Oh, I hope you find him.
One more thing. Are you here alone, miss?
No, my friend is on his way. He should be here soon.
Good. It is better to wait with someone.
Yes, we will meet here in a few minutes.
If you need help, the station office is right there.
Thank you. That is good to know.
And by the way, your English is very clear. Good job.
Oh, thank you. I am still learning.
You did the smart thing. Asking for my ID was perfect.
My friend and I learned about that today.
It is a good lesson for any country. Thank you again and have a safe day.
You too, officer.
What a day. My feet are so tired.
Mine too, but it was a good day.
We met so many people today, so many different ones.
Yes, the man on the street, the concierge, the local woman.
And the police officer at the station.
Each one was different. Some good, one not so good.
We met so many people today, so many different ones.
Yes, the man on the street, the concierge, the local woman.
And the police officer at the station.
Each one was different. Some good, one not so good.
If we did not trust anyone, the trip would not be fun.
But if we trusted everyone, it would not be safe.
So how do we choose? It is not easy.
We listen to our feeling. We watch what people do.
Yes, the local woman just told me and walked away.
The man on the street did not walk away. He waited for money.
That is a clear sign. A real helper does not wait.
And the officer showed his ID right away.
Yes, he did not get angry when you asked.
A real officer is happy when people ask.
We learned a lot today.
Do you remember the note in the guidebook this morning?
Trust your instincts. Yes, I remember.
I think I understand it better now.
Me too. It means listen to your feeling inside.
Yes, and watch what people do, not just what they say.
My grandma says instincts are your brain working fast.
Oh, I love that. Your brain knows before you know.
Yes, so next time we listen to it.
A good lesson for tomorrow, too. So where do we go in the morning?
The guidebook says the old castle is good in the morning.
Sounds nice. And maybe the river view we missed today.
Good plan. Let me set the alarm for 7.
7? That is early. Make it 7:30.
Okay, 7:30.
Thank you. I need my sleep.
One more thing. Tomorrow, let us walk together more.
I agree. Today was a little scary alone.
I should not have walked off without you.
It's okay. We learned. That's the best part.
Good night, Mina. Sleep well.
Good night, Ken. Trust your dreams too.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What 3 words should you say to a stranger when you don't trust them? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.